Before we start any drawing work in DesignCAD, there are two things that we need to do, and both are important. One is we need to set our distance from one side of the screen to the other side of the screen, and we also need to set up our drawing units. That is the units we're going to be drawing in. So if we go to Dimension, Units, and we click a point to the left of the screen, pick a point to the right of the screen, and we'll enter 450. Click OK. So roughly from one side of the screen to the other side of the screen on the x-axis is 450 millimeters. Now we've got down here, down here, these are our units. Our current drawing units are millimeters. Now when we start a new drawing, we can change this, and we just click change, and here we go, units for current drawing millimeters, default unit for new drawing, so it's any new drawing from this point onwards will be in millimeters, and the default units for opening unitless drawings is going to be millimeters. Now we can draw it unitless, not a very wise thing to do. It's best to draw in inches, feet, miles, millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers, light years, whatever you want to do. But we're going to set this again for millimeters, so that any drawing that I've got open or that I've drawn that may be unitless will open in millimeters. Now once we've got all that set, click OK, and we're now in millimeters. Now as an example, let's change those units and we'll see what happens down here in the status bar. We'll change that to meters, and we'll click OK, and here you can see that our units have changed to meters. Let's do that again. Let's change that into feet. Click OK, and here we can see feet. Now as all these tutorials are in metric, they will be millimeters. So set that back to millimeters. OK, we can see here that it's gone back to millimeters. Now if this were a new drawing, we click new. Here we see it's a new file. We can click on drawing units, and we can edit these default units for measurement. Just click cancel because we've already got it set up. Cancel out, cancel out. So now we're ready to start drawing. We know how far we are from one side of the screen to the other side of the screen, and we know that our drawing units are in millimeters.